Today I'm in Edinburgh, we're in the Royal Botanic Gardens. We've got another big display to do. And it's not even raining and the sun's out in Scotland. Thought it was going to be pissing down. So we're just unpackaging each fibre kit now. So we've got to split them, divide them into different bunches. Just need to fit all the mushrooms now and test it when it gets dark. Squirrels back, keep off it. Dare eat me fibres. So we're finished, just getting the power on. It's not quite dark enough yet. So we're just waiting for it to get dark and do some filming.